Hurricane season approaching. Folks across the Gulf Coast are busy getting prepared. Power companies, cooperatives, and municipalities have been on the hunt for supplies and equipment. NBC 15's James Gordon joins us live in Baldwin County. James, many are worried with supply chain issues. There may not be enough equipment to go around.
Well, some power companies are facing this issue, but not all of them. And with the next hurricane, it's possible we may have to wait a little longer to get our power back. Mutual aid agreements between power companies and cooperatives all across the South is what brings the power back. We help them, they help us. A city utility like Fairhopes, for example, has enough equipment now, but may not have enough to share if a hurricane comes.
You know, for me, it's the supplies, it's the wire, it's the poles, the things that we take for granted having or mutual aid crews could bring in. And right now they're in short supply. Nobody wants to, give up their supplies.
Power companies all across the Southeast are dealing with supply issues. When lead time on getting a new transformer goes from 3 months to a year, and a bucket truck now takes twice as long to acquire, 2 years versus 1.
Noticed that we needed to increase our inventory here at all of our warehouses.
Baldwin EMC is the largest power provider to the county. It does not expect to require other mutual aid partners to travel with equipment. Early on during the pandemic, vendors warned the cooperative of supply chain issues. Spokesperson Mark Ingram says early on a plan was set in place to buy as much equipment as possible from a larger pool of vendors.
That's when we took action. We then started contacting our vendors, and we told them we want to stock up on our transformers. We want to stock up on our pad-mounted transformers, our lines, our poles.
The same way power companies have prepared, so should all of us. Now's the time.
The other thing is fuel. I mean, fuel has gotten to be so expensive for our vehicles and for mutual aid that will be traveling here that, that's ultimately a cost that we're going to have to absorb and that we'll be seeking reimbursement for. So, yeah, there are some concerns going into storm season.
And another concern is the influx of new residents to our area. They may not be used to hurricanes and may not know how to prepare. Now we're live in Baldwin County. James Gordon, NBC 15 News.